Aulanii Adventures, and this is our final video from Aulani. On this video, we're going to go check out the secret beach on the other side of Four Seasons, see a couple more characters, and go look at a DVC room, do dinner at the Olelo Room, and just check out the beaches here for one last time. Sit back and enjoy our trip to the secret beach on the other side of Four Seasons. Okay, we're at the part where a trail actually starts. It's not that bad once you get off the pavement right in this area, but if you see over here towards the in front of you, it's a little rocky and the terrain's kind of hard to maneuver over here, so you gotta be careful. I had to help Jenna get over this because it's a little too rocky for her.
Help! Wait, don't go without me here. Help!
Then you just follow this path. Once you get over the rocks. And here's the beach. As you can see, there's a group of sisters getting like a family photo here at the beach. And here it is. We were trying to find some sea turtles out here, but we had to wait a while. And I mean, it's just a beautiful beach to watch. Just the waves come in. So here, guys, enjoy. Got him. I got his fins and his head. So cool we got to see that sea turtle in the water. Wish it actually came out, but oh, you know, bears can't be choosers. I'm gonna take a walk over here to the almost on the other side of this beach here, where you can see some more aquatic life. And you can, if you kept walking this way on the side, and you see the greenery, there's another rock wall. You climb up on that rock wall, you can go to there's another resort called Paradise Cove. It's on the same street where Aulani is. But the rock wall is really rough to walk over. I didn't try to attempt it. I saw some people were doing it, and I guess it's great. You are able to make it across, but I wasn't trying. Let's check out the beach here more. Beach is beautiful. I can stand here watching the waves come in all day long, but let's go see some Disney characters. Let's go see Minnie Mouse and Angel.
Aloha! Aloha! Well, we're gonna tell them a story about how we pull in the nets in La Area.
Yeah. I didn't know it came up. That's what I get for dragging my feet, so. How are you ladies doing today? You're looking fabulous as usual. I love your outfits. But where's Minnie's lay though? Did you forget? Oh, you're still making it? That's awesome. Is it alright if I get a picture with you guys? Here you can see where Ama is at. It's still currently closed, and still, I don't think there is a return date for it yet. But you see here, this is what Ama would be at. If you ever did dine here, it's really good food and a great scene right off the beach. It's beautiful. That was the entrance. Here's the sign. As we walked from Ama, we went over to the end of the lagoon where you see here's the grass area. Just wanted to check out the views from here. You can just look out in the ocean. It's just beautiful. Here's a boat that I saw out there. Try to get a close-up picture of it, or not picture, but video. Alright, let's go back on the resort and check out that Disney Vacation Club resort room. Here we are at the DVC room in Aulani. This is for a 5-person room. We're not advertising for DVC at all. If you want information about it, I'll put it in the description on the video. We just really wanted to show you what rooms are like here at Aulani. See, that's a fold-out bed. And the couch is also a fold-out bed. And this is a one-family villa, you said? Five family.
5 family can sleep. Well, 1 bedroom. This is the bed.
Awesome.
We gotta show the Mickey lamp. This Mickey lamp should be Tuesday.
You should sell those things. Jenna loves these things.
Desk.
So we're gonna find one day.
So you have the bed here. You have 2 drawers. You have a TV with a dresser. And you have your own little private balcony, which looks like it looks over the lazy river, sort of, and the
kid play area.
Bridge play area.
Yeah.
And
Then you walk in.
Seat. Ooh, this is nice. You have this open. So you have a tub, nice shower feature wall. That's cute. Has jets in there. That's what I'm talking about. And then you have 1 sink.
Hey, hello.
And then the bathroom is here, and you've got a shower. Oh, it's a wash shower. That's nice. That's very nice.
Oh, a rain head shower. Ooh.
Another sink.
And it walks right into the kitchen area.
This is really cute.
And then you have a washer and dryer.
It doesn't open.
It's fine.
Okay.
There you go, guys. We're at dinner at the Olelo Room. You get Mickey Mouse chopsticks with your California sushi roll, which was probably the best California roll I've had ever. Maybe just because I was in Hawaii, so everything's fresh there. For dinner, Jenna had the chicken strips and fries. I had the Hawaiian Ranchers Ole sliders. They were excellent. I probably said I butchered the name, but in the Olelo Room, you usually get to eat inside and outside, but due to COVID restrictions, they had everyone sitting outside. And the menu looked like it was about the same as when we were there years ago. But that said, it was a good time in Aulani. It's time to go home, and we'll hopefully see you in our next adventure. See you, everyone.